In the previous video, we have talked about punctuating direct speech. Today, we will talk about direct and indirect speech. To refresh your memories, the direct speech is the actual speech quoted from the speaker, so when the exact same words are being repeated. For example, I'm feeling cold, he said. The indirect speech is the speaker's speech reported by the third person. For example, he said that he was feeling cold. As you notice, there are some changes and we are going to talk about them right now. How to change from the direct into the indirect speech. Step number 1 will be to put that before the indirect statement. Look at the example here. He said the game is exciting. This is direct speech. We have the comma after the reporting verb. We have quotation marks. The first letter is capitalized and the punctuation mark is inside the quotations. So the first step will be to replace the comma by that. So he said that the game was exciting. The capital letter is changed and the verb tense too. We will just talk about it right now. Set to will be replaced by told. So the first step will be to put that. Step number 2 will be to change the tense of the verb. So am, is will be was, are will be were, have, has will be had, can and can't will be changed to could and couldn't, will and won't will be changed to would and wouldn't. So here is a table about the changes. The present tense will be past tense. Present continuous tense will be past continuous in the reported speech. Present perfect tense and past simple tense will be changed to the past perfect. Shall will be changed to would, and the past continuous tense will be past perfect continuous tense. Step number 3 will be to change the pronouns. So if in the direct speech there's I, it will be changed to he and she in the reported speech. If there's we, it will be changed to they in the reported speech. You will be changed to he, she, or they in the reported speech. Step number 4 will be to change the adverbs of time and place and some other words. So in case I have here in the direct speech, it will be there in the reported speech. If I have today, it will be that day in the reported speech. And if I have tomorrow, it will be the next day in the reported speech. One thing worthy of noticing is that in case the reporting verb is in the present, we do not change the tense. Which means, this is an example. I'm happy, he says. Says is in the present tense. So when I want to change it to the indirect speech, I do not change the tense in the sentence. So he says that he is happy. Am is in the present, is remains in the present. Rana says, I want a chicken for lunch. So the reporting verb is in the present. So when I want to change it to the indirect or to the reported speech, I keep the present tense. I want is in the present. She wants in the present. These are examples of reported statements. I have, for example, here, as you notice, all of the reporting verbs are in the past. So I have said, in this case, I have to change the tense of the verb. So I will become he would. I saw, this is past simple. In the reported speech, it will be had, seen, past perfect. Again, said is in the past. I don't like the soup. The sentence is in the present. When I want to change it to the indirect speech, I have to change it to the past. Rami said, I didn't do the test. It's in the past simple. When I want to change it to the indirect, it should be hadn't done, so it's past perfect. Notice too that this became that.